We're just finding the center of the square, right center of the circle right now. It's a 45-degree angle. Mark it, spin it, keep your 45, mark it again, you have your center of your circle. Fender washers, 5/16 by 1 5/8. Going on to the eye bolt, 5/16. These are longer, that's all they had available. You just cut them to length. Next, you have your T-nut. It's tough. Stick something in there to give you leverage. Crank it on down. Mark your threads. Back it back out. My threads got lost. We'll just eyeball it. Cut it to length. Touch up the rough areas on the grinder. And your final assembly process. And you have a jack puck for a C5, C6 Corvette.